Kaseng Sanhima All India Trinamool Congress Aitc ha Meghalaya rengkat berkaseng samla puli jongka kila rai banya khunting na kebenta ki Nonghikai kiba kila keno ba kila sha leben ha kasorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA usamla bansharai lang pengrop Presiden kisamla puli jongka Aitc ula penbena baka kenhun jong u kan penlong daka jing Kyrshan ki jing dawa jong ki Nonghikai daka program kublai shubu nephi ki Nonghikai Uni unang alam kaseng kisamla puli jongka Aitc ula benyau baka sorkar MDA krale lendat di Nonghikai ki bala seilut ye kabut kabor ban ai ki jingnang jingtep nak benta ki longdien jongka jaj benrio.
Being a student myself, I am really grateful for all my teachers because if I look back throughout my journey as a student, I wouldn't have been where I am today without them. At the very first instance of my childhood, when I was in class KG, I vividly recall my first report card day. I went there with my mother and my father, and the class teacher then, Miss Nonghikai, she told my father, "Your son is so talkative, he will be a politician one day." And that word, politician, spoken by my teacher then, ignited something inside of me to always notice, who are these politicians? What do these politicians do? And here I am today in a political party working as a Students' Union President. And now, as a Students' Union President, I am more involved with the entire student community. And I really see, it's very sad to see that there's a lot of injustice in our education system. The schools, even in the urban areas, are not perfect. But the schools in the rural areas, they are pathetic. And it's very disheartening to see that now the teachers who are, to me, I can take it first at a very personal level. Teachers to me have not just been teachers of mathematics or grammar or of science, of physics, biology, but they've taught me courage, they've taught me strength, they've taught me humbleness, they've taught me how to be modest. These are teachers, and that is why I say thank you, teachers. Thank you for all these qualities that you have taught me, and all my fellow friends as well. Teachers, how you teach us in the classroom. One teacher handles 50 students, and each student with full care and with your full attention. We are really grateful for you, teachers. Thank you, teachers. But now we can see under this MDA government that teachers have to come out to the streets to protest for their right. It is so disheartening to see this because now, after coming out from a 2-year lockdown, students are really suffering, especially students in the rural areas. But now, again, in this fight between the teachers and the government, the students are at loss. It is really disheartening and really hurtful. It really hurts me, it breaks my heart to see this is the state of our teachers. I condemn this government for treating the teachers in this miserable way because teachers are like parents, especially to people who are orphans. They are not just teachers, but they are a mother, they are a father to these children. So let us respect these teachers. Let us fight for these teachers, for their rights. And that is why Meghalaya TMC Students' Union, along with Meghalaya TMC, we stand together with the teachers to fight for the rights of our teachers.